this is what it looks like in the box. This is what is in the box. It comes with this, so it tells you to scan this to watch the video. When you open it, you have to push it, it's face down. You have to like really lean on it and it will open and it will not like pop back on you. But as soon as you open it, put these little springs. There are 2 of these and you just take them out and you just push them through this little hole down here and it slides all the way through. And then you just use that clip and clip it like that and do the same on the other side. Once you have them on, they should be latched from the inside. So the trampoline should be face down, so the logo is facing the floor. Putting it in, I would rotate it so that it doesn't become super tight on one side and then not on the other. So do one, move it over, you know what I mean. What you wanna do is take this, slide it in like this, and then move this over. This to make sure this part is under here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, go under, right? Put your finger right here. Put the tool with the skinny end down, and then you're gonna push that into that little restraint, okay? Then you're literally just gonna pick it up and turn it, and that's it. So we're gonna do it again. We're gonna push it in.
I could probably help you do some of these.
Like this. Then we're gonna make sure that's in there. We're gonna pull it under. We'll go like this. Make sure to line those 2 up. There you go. Once you have the majority of them on, the ones that you put on, it's going to be like that. There are going to be a few that came pre-strung that are going to be like that. I wouldn't worry about it because it's like 6 out of all of them. If you have them all on, I would rotate it to the center point like this and then pull these bands so that, because as you can see, like it sort of starts to skew right. I would pull them all so that they're sort of straight before you go on. So what you're going to do is just unscrew the end caps. I think there are like 8 of them. I think it just pulls off. You just twist it to the right, guys. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's what it should look like done. Just make sure you check all your little bungee cords and then screw these on really tight. And here, we're gonna flip it over. To flip it over and admire your beautiful trampoline, take these little, if you have the cover, you need to take these little retention straps and just, Cash, pick up this, just pick it up a little bit. And then just pop it under there like that. So it holds it in place. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all set up. If you bought the little cover thing. I didn't get the bar because, I don't know, I might go back and get it later, but I didn't think I needed it right now. But that's what it looks like. All right. What do you think?
Really? It's so bouncy.
Ava, come give it a go.
That's so cool.
My daughter, who's like 115 and the other one's like 90 pounds.
Hey, I'm 111.
Okay, oh, sorry. All right, there, he's really giving it a go now. Do you love it? What do you think? This is good family exercise right here for the winter. Plus, if your kids misbehave, you can go, okay, go bounce for 10 minutes. Get it out of your system.
Oh my God, look at my hair.
Okay, little man is having way too much fun over there. He is really giving that thing a go. But guys, it's rated for 550 pounds. How much do you weigh now? 90 something? 90. And you can see he's barely putting a dent in that thing. Get up.
You're not even fitting right. I literally don't even have to jump. You're doing the work for me. Okay, my legs are down.